In today's video, I'll show you how to create reports in monday.com. First, open your browser and go to the official monday.com website, then make sure to log in to your account. Once you are on the home page, look at the left side panel and click the plus sign beside your workspace. Next, click Dashboard, then enter a dashboard name, for example, Reports. Choose the privacy setting you want, then click Create Dashboard. After that, you will be prompted to connect boards. Choose the specific boards you want to pull data from for the report, then click Done. Next, click Add Widget to add visualizations. You can choose from the available options to create your report. And that's it. That's how you create reports in monday.com.